Everyone wants to get rich with AI. You've seen the headlines. This guy made $10,000 a week with ChatGPT. AI built my business overnight. Passive income with automation. And yeah, it's real. But there's one thing those videos don't tell you. Most people who try fail. Not because AI doesn't work, but because they don't. They watch, they dream, they plan, but they never execute. The truth is, AI isn't a magic money button. It's a multiplier. It multiplies your ideas, your effort, your discipline. If you give it nothing, it gives you nothing. But if you give it a plan, it can change your entire life. So in this video, I'll tell you the real truth about getting rich with AI. No hype, no fantasy. Just what actually works in 2025 and how you can start today. All the tools I mention are linked below, with free trials through my affiliate links. Let's get into it. Number 1. The illusion of easy money. Let's kill the biggest lie first. AI doesn't make you rich overnight. Yes, you can make money fast, but only if you build something real. Every AI millionaire you see online, the YouTuber, the freelancer, the entrepreneur, they didn't find a cheat code. They found a system. They learned how to use tools like ChatGPT, Durable, and Make.com to automate what already works. Marketing, sales, design, content. They didn't escape hard work, they just automated it. The secret isn't AI itself, it's how you apply it. Number 2, everyone has the same tools. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You're not early anymore. Everyone has ChatGPT. Everyone has Canva. Everyone can make AI videos, write emails, and design websites. So why do some people blow up while others stay stuck? It's not the tools, it's the execution. Most people quit after 3 tries. The ones who keep experimenting, testing, and learning win. That's how people like you build real, sustainable income. Number 3, attention is the new currency. Money follows attention. AI can write, design, and automate, but you still have to grab people's attention. That's why creators using tools like Opus Clip and 11 Labs are exploding. They combine content and AI efficiency. They're not selling dreams, they're showing proof. If you can get 1,000 people to pay $10 for something valuable, that's $10,000. AI just makes it scalable. Number 4, you don't need to be an expert. Another myth, you need to know tech to make money with AI. False. The people winning right now are learners. They test, fail, and adapt faster than everyone else. You don't need to code. You don't need a degree. You just need curiosity and tools. That's why platforms like Make.com, Notion AI, and Durable exist. No code, no barrier, no excuses. Every single one is linked below. You don't need permission to start. You just need action. Number 5, build systems, not hustles. The biggest mistake people make? They use AI to make quick cash, not long-term freedom. A real business isn't about selling one thing. It's about systems that keep running when you're not working. Use Make.com to automate delivery. Use Notion AI to track clients and income. Use Durable to make websites. And use ChatGPT to create content that attracts leads while you sleep. You're not making money. You're building engines that print it. Number 6, the real secret. Compound skills. Want the truth? AI success isn't about being great at one thing. It's about combining 2 average skills. Writing plus AI tools, design plus marketing, automation plus storytelling. That's what the top 1% are doing. The beauty of AI is that it fills your weaknesses. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to know enough to connect the pieces. So build your stack. Use ChatGPT for words, Canva for visuals, Opus Clip for video, Make.com for automation, and Notion AI for structure. All free to start, all linked below. Number 7, failure is a feature. If you're afraid of failing, AI won't save you, because success with AI means testing, a lot. You'll make ugly websites, bad videos, terrible prompts, but each one teaches you something. and you improve fast. AI gives you infinite retries for free. That's what makes it so powerful. Fail 50 times in a week. You'll learn faster than most people do in a year. Number 8. The winners are builders. The real AI revolution won't be about who talks about it. It'll be about who builds with it. Those who create tools, channels, templates, businesses, they'll own the future. And it starts simple. Build a digital product with ChatGPT, design it with Canva, host it with Durable, automate it with Make.com, sell it with Notion AI. Everything you need is already out there. The only missing piece is action. Number 9. The mindset shift. Here's the final truth. AI isn't replacing people. It's replacing mindsets. The 9-to-5 worker mindset, the I can't do it mindset, the I'll start tomorrow mindset. Every time someone says, I will take my job, someone else is using AI to build one. So here's the truth. AI won't make you rich overnight, but it will reward the people who take action while everyone else hesitates. Every tool, every strategy, every secret you just learned means nothing if you don't use it. Because AI doesn't create success out of thin air, it multiplies whatever you give it. If you bring ideas, effort, and consistency, it can change your life faster than anything else in history. We're living in the biggest opportunity of our generation. Right now, someone is using ChatGPT, Durable, or Make.com to build the business that'll replace their 9-to-5 forever. That person could be you if you start today. So stop scrolling. Stop doubting. Take one idea from this video and build something real. If this inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and comment, I'm building with AI. All the free tools and my guide, 10 AI tools that make money, are linked below. Because the next AI millionaire isn't lucky, they're focused. And the next one could be you.